Welcome back to Mooney English. Today we're reading article number 113. Red Espresso offers coffee feel with no caffeine.
Do you enjoy the look and feel of espresso, but you'd like something a little healthier? Enter Red Espresso, the coffee alternative that's catching the attention of coffee and wellness lovers alike. Made from rooibos tea, Red Espresso is a caffeine-free alternative to coffee that still looks and feels like an espresso, although it doesn't have the same flavor. Instead, Red Espresso has the rich, sweet taste of rooibos tea. But the dried and ground tea leaves act like coffee grounds in an espresso machine and even form a creamy foam, or crema, on top, just like regular espresso. Red Espresso can be made into all kinds of hot and iced drinks, like lattes, milkshakes, and frappés. But it offers much more than just flavor. Naturally, caffeine-free, Red Espresso avoids the negative effects that come from drinking too much caffeinated coffee, such as anxiety, increased heart rate, and trouble sleeping. It's also high in antioxidants, molecules believed to support heart health and the immune system. According to research from the Cape Peninsula University of Technology, Red Espresso contains 10 times more antioxidants than regular rooibos tea and 5 times more than green tea. Rooibos tea has been drunk for centuries in South Africa, but the idea of using it for espresso came from Carl Pretorius in 2005. After Pretorius developed a way to grind rooibos tea leaves similar to coffee grounds, he introduced it to the husband and wife team of Pete and Monique Ethelston, who took the product to market. Lately, Red Espresso has been gaining popularity thanks to global trends toward health and wellness, a market predicted to be worth $7 trillion by 2025, according to the Global Wellness Institute. "We used to have a hard time convincing people to try our product," Monique recently told Al Jazeera. "But we now find consumers and cafes very open to the idea of caffeine-free drinks made from healthier ingredients."